Hey guys, it's your boy Angel here. And guess what? I'm about to take y'all on a lit tour I just went on. No cap, man. It's gonna be straight up fire. It was a skip the line walking tour by Viator. Tell you what, they needed to put an age restriction on that tour. By the end of the tour, my back, hips, and knees were screaming. The tour itself was cool, and the tour guide was pretty chill. So let's strap in, hit the like button, and subscribe. Now let's dive into this adventure together. Share this with your squad, and you're not gonna wanna miss this. First stop, y'all, Plaza Mayor. This place is straight up iconic with a capital I. Back in the day, like way back in the day in the early 17th century, King Philip II was like, let's make this spot the heart of Spain. And bam, Plaza Mayor was born. Right in the center, there's this dope statue of King Philip III, just chillin' since 1616, eyeballing all the wild stuff that's gone down there. We're talking markets, bullfights, and yeah, even some public executions. Dark, right? But now, it's all about the Christmas market vibes. So Insta-worthy. Next up, we're rolling into the Royal Palace of Madrid. Fam, this place is no joke. It's like one of the biggest palaces in Europe. Walking up to it, my jaw literally dropped. This whole vibe here is just regal AF, man. The architecture got that Baroque and neoclassic flex, making every corner a perfect snap for the gram. Once we get in, boom, we hit the main staircase by Sabatini. Made from this massive block of marble, it's like a sneak peek of the opulence waiting inside. And then the throne room, with its red velvet walls and ceiling fresco by Tipolo, is just straight up royal swagger. Plus those lion sculptures by the throne, major power move. Now let me spill the tea on the gala dining room. It's got this table that's like 30 meters long. The kings and queens have been throwing banquets here for centuries, and it's still in use. Here's a fun fact for you. King Philippe IV likes to mix things up and sit in the middle of the table. Talk about breaking traditions. Can't forget the crown room, where they got the crown and scepter on display. It's like history and craftsmanship had a baby, and it's beautiful. And bruh, they've got these Stradivarius instruments, including a cello, which they play once a year. How cool is that? Alright fam, I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek. Don't bounce without dropping a comment and tell me what you loved or want to see next. Keep it locked here for more adventures. Peace.